I mean, this is definitely a new approach. We got the Tesla drive-in movie theater, basically. And there's a little bit more, in addition to the battery stuff, we got a little few extras as well. So I think you'll really like what we have to say on batteries. The battery stuff we're going to talk about is truly revolutionary. People that really know cells, this is a massive breakthrough.
Well, this is undoubtedly a novel strategy. Basically, we have the Tesla drive-in cinema, and there are a few other things besides the battery stuff. I believe you'll appreciate what we have to say about batteries, especially since we have a few small extras. The battery technology we will discuss is quite groundbreaking. Indeed, it is. This is a huge breakthrough. No cells. We have some significant news that will change the electric vehicle world as we know it. We're here to give you an exclusive first look at the amazing new 4680 battery that Tesla's innovative leader, Elon Musk, has revealed will be available. We'll go over every facet of the new 4680 battery in this extensive video, from its innovative architecture to the significant performance boosts it promises. We'll examine how this battery has the potential to revolutionize sustainability and efficiency in the EV market, enabling electric vehicles to be more affordable and potent than ever. Make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons first, though. Let's get this video started. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Stay tuned as we explore the enchantment of Tesla's revolutionary invention in this video. There is something here for everyone, regardless of whether you are an EV fan, tech fanatic, or simply interested in the newest developments in automotive technology. With a remarkable capacity of 26,600 milliamp hours, 5 times that of other electric car batteries, the 4608 battery cell was first created by Tesla for use in commercial electric vehicles, such as the Model Y. A major milestone has been reached at Tesla's Texas factory, which recently produced 886,000 cells in a single week, enough to outfit 1,000 Model Y vehicles with 75 kilowatt-hours battery packs. This improved battery technology uses fewer raw materials. 6 months following this accomplishment, Tesla declared that it had produced more than 10,004,680 cells, which swiftly increased to an astounding 50 million. This quick manufacturing ramp-up is a component of Tesla's strategic goal to increase the efficiency of their battery cell manufacture in order to dominate the electric vehicle industry. Furthermore, by the end of the year, Tesla wants these cells to be less expensive than those from its present sources. Regarding production advancements, Tesla has adopted a new table design and entered the battery manufacturing industry, which is a daring step for a business that hasn't historically produced batteries. With this move, Tesla will face off against battery industry heavyweights like CATL, Panasonic, and LG. According to Tesla CEO Lars Moravy, production enhancements have raised output by 18 to 20% since the fourth quarter, bringing it up to the levels required for the manufacture of Cybertrucks. Tesla keeps cutting expenses and increasing efficiency by growing its production lines and keeping a healthy stock. According to Moravy, this tactic will allow Tesla to outperform rival vendors' nickel-based battery prices. By the third quarter of this year, Tesla intends to add 4 more production lines, which are now operating well. Additionally, the business is increasing its orders for 4,680 cells, while exact numbers are still unknown, which lends an air of mystery to Tesla's business practices. Beyond just making batteries, Tesla is involved in other creative ventures. For example, a trailblazing 1/4-mile road in Indiana is currently used to charge heavy-duty trucks and electric cars while they are traveling. Furthermore, Tesla has introduced the Powerwall 3 home energy storage device, which increases accessibility to sustainable living. For the Cybertruck, the emphasis at Tesla's Gigafactory Texas has switched to creating a new, greater energy density version of the 4680 cell. Tesla has continued to produce at a consistent rate in spite of this change, most recently reaching the milestone of 20 million cells in March. In just 7 days, Tesla reported producing 1.4 million cells. The company has now revealed that it has produced 50 million cells, marking yet another milestone. Based on these disclosures, calculations indicate that Gigafactory Texas is generating about 126,000 cells every day, or about 3.78 million cells monthly. This production rate is enough to produce about 2,800 Cybertrucks each month, exceeding the factory's current output, since each Cybertruck needs 1,360 cells for its 123 kilowatt-hours battery pack. This demonstrates Tesla's capacity to accumulate a reserve for this model and maybe others, confirming the company's claim in its first quarter 2024 financial report that the manufacture of 4,680 cells is not a bottleneck for Cybertruck production. Over 22,000 Cybertrucks might be powered by 4,680 cells produced by Tesla between now and October. Despite the fact that the Cybertruck's official production rates are not made public, analyst Troy. Prior to the start of second-generation production in Texas, which greatly increased capacity, these cells were first made on a pilot line in Fremont. This expansion is especially significant because the Tesla Semi had previously been delayed due to the lengthy lead time for 4,680 cells. A key component of Tesla's plan to lower the price of its cars is the 4,680 battery cell. Even though the Texas-produced cell's current energy density is 244 watt-hours per kilogram, which is less than the goal of 300 watt-hours per kilogram, it is still more than that of rivals, such as the BYD Blade battery, which costs $61 per quote and provides 168 watt-hours per kilogram. The main benefits of the 4,680 are its increased energy density and incorporation into Tesla's structural battery pack architecture, which lowers the overall weight of the car. Additionally, Tesla's transition to a 100% dry electrode technique emphasizes continuous advancements in battery technology with a focus on sustainability and efficiency. The manufacture of batteries at Tesla currently uses a dry process for the positive electrode and a wet process for the negative electrode. Tesla hopes to drastically lower production costs and energy consumption by switching to a dry process for the negative electrode as well. More significantly, this change will reduce Tesla's reliance on outside manufacturers. One would wonder if BYD would offer their cells without a markup, even if their production costs were comparable to those sold under the BYD name. Why Tesla is concentrating on the new 4,680 cells rather than choosing larger ones is another question that has been raised. It's possible that the comparatively smaller 4,680 cells were chosen because of their better capacity to dissipate heat. Larger cells may be able to store more energy, but because of their lower surface area to volume ratio, which makes them less suitable for controlling heat, they provide cooling problems during high energy consumption and rapid charging. With the smaller 4,680 cells, Tesla employs a glycol liquid mixture to cool the cells, which works better. The 4,680 cells reduced size enables denser packing inside battery casings, maximizing both space and energy capacity. The cost per cell may decrease if these cells are produced in greater volumes. Additionally, good heat management and charging practices can greatly increase battery lifespan, which is important because poor management may require costly replacements. The 4,680 cells balance overall cost effectiveness with operational cooling efficiency. These cells can store more energy and retain high power and efficiency since they are larger than earlier types like the 2170 and 18,650. The 4,680 cells integrated design increases their overall efficacy by reducing energy loss during conversion and transmission. The 4,680 cells require fewer parts and connections than previous models, and lowering manufacturing costs is a top objective. Because of this simplified assembly, less material is used, which lowers the expenses associated with producing reasonably priced electric automobiles. Additionally, the cells are made to charge more quickly, which strengthens Tesla's position as a market leader while also improving consumer convenience. In the end, the 4,680 cells efficient design and manufacturing enable Tesla to provide more reasonably priced car models, supporting Elon Musk's objective of introducing reasonably priced electric automobiles to the market. The 4,680 cells are expected to be crucial to Tesla's plan to increase the number of reasonably priced electric vehicles in its inventory due to their improved performance and lower manufacturing costs. Expanding its market position, especially in the low-cost electric vehicle industry, depends heavily on the 4,680 cell. These cells improve the features and performance of Tesla cars, while cutting down on production costs and charging times, increasing the viability and customer appeal of producing reasonably priced electric automobiles. Speaking of battery types, the Redwood 2025 battery will be included in the upcoming Model 2, highlighting several interesting features. Lithium-ion batteries have historically controlled the EV market, but the supply of lithium is becoming a problem because the United States, China, and Chile all have different amounts of reserves, which causes shortages in the market and a dependence on imports, particularly from China. Tesla intends to increase its battery production in Nevada in order to deal with changes in tax benefits that impact Chinese components. In order to guarantee that the Model 2 is eligible for tax incentives, this Ian